Hey everyone, if AnyDesk remote access is not working, you can't control another device, or the session keeps failing, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get remote access working again. First, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. A remote access won't work properly if either side has weak or unstable internet. Next, restart AnyDesk on both devices, and also restart the computers or phones. Yeah, this clears temporary network and session errors. Make sure the correct AnyDesk ID is entered and the remote user has accepted the connection request. I mean, even small mistakes or denied permissions can block access. Check that the remote device is powered on and AnyDesk is running in the background. So if the device is offline or sleeping, remote access won't work. If you want full remote access without approval each time, enable unattended access in settings. Yeah, without it, you may need manual permission every time. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software blocks remote connections. Allowing AnyDesk through security settings can fix this issue. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily, so network routing changes can interfere with remote connections. If remote access still doesn't work, switch to a different network like a mobile hotspot. Yeah, this helps identify network blocking issues. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with remote sessions. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk on both devices. I mean, a fresh installation can fix corrupted remote access components. If you're still facing issues, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify server-side or account-related problems affecting remote access. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk remote access not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.